In this story, we will see that how you can trim video in Instagram story in just few easy steps. So let's dive in. So here we are in Instagram. If you click on your story and let's suppose I will select this story. Its length is 1 minute and 10 seconds and Instagram allow only 1 minute video to upload on story. So we have to trim it. Firstly, we will select it. Here it is. You will find some of options in top side. But to trim video, we have to use a third party app. So we will trim a video outside Instagram. Open Play Store and search for video trimmer. Search it and install this. It's very easy to use trimmer and you can trim your video in just one click. Open it and here you will find some of options like cut, merge, mute and everything. So we will open this cut, allow, and here you have to select video. So I've selected this video. Now to trim it, in the bottom side you will find this sum of options. You can drag it like this. Like if I want to trim into two parts, like 1 minutes for each video. So I will select it for 1 minute. You can see timing here and simply click on this cutter and it will ask you without re-encode video or re-encode video. You have to select it, re-encode video and click on OK and it will start trimming. After trimming it, you can simply upload this trimmed video on Instagram story. So that's how you can trim video in Instagram story.